evening, everybody. We are going to work on our next Valentine's Day project. I've got these 4 little molds here, and can you guys see okay? They're each 4 little hearts, and they all have a little design in them. This one has roses, this one has a bow, this one says love, and this one says kiss. They remind me of chocolates. So I think we're gonna fill in all these little embellishments with mica powder, and then we're going to, that's brown, use coffee and maybe darken it up a little bit to make it look like chocolate and fill those up. So I tested out a little area because I wasn't sure how it was going to take mica powder. So it takes it pretty good. It sticks really well. So we're going to go ahead and fill in these. I think this one's going to be the toughest one because look at all those little nooks and crannies in there. And I want that to be red. So, and I got these little mica powder pens. I've had them for a while, just have not used them. Not sure how well. I mean, they have a little sponge on the end of them, and then your mica powder's down in here. We can try them and see how they work with this. I mean, what's the worst that can happen, right? But I don't think I'm going to use the sponge. I think I'm just going to brush what's on the sponge on here, and then I'm going to use my regular brush because this can't get down inside all those little spots. So, and I'm just going to use my brush down in there. Oof, that's still got some magenta on there. So we're just going to brush that on. And I won't make you guys be bored through the whole thing. I'll fast forward this. Okay guys, I'm gonna clean these up, get some resin made, and we'll be right back. Okay? Okay, y'all. Got our resin all mixed up here. I did add some black to it because I wanted it a little darker. Trying to decide if I want it just a hinge darker. Just add another spoonful of black. You know, dark chocolate. Yum! Sorry guys, all of my house lights are set on a timer, and that's much better. And they go off at 11 p.m. and so Alexa, she turns them off at 11 o'clock. Alexa, turn on craft room.
Okay.
And so they shut all the lights off. All right, we got them all ready to go. And we will pour some resin. Gonna make some chocolates. Never made chocolates before. I'm gonna wait to fill them up to see if I mixed up enough. Should have, but plenty, plenty, plenty. Perfect. I mixed up 5 ounces and I just have a smidge left. So that was a pretty good guess. I didn't water test them because I knew that those little nooks and crannies in there would take forever to dry. So now I know, and I can write it on the side of one of those. Okay, well, that's really all we can do, so we will come back tomorrow when they're ready to demold, and we'll demold our chocolates. All right, guys, have a good evening. Well, it's already 11 o'clock my time. It's bedtime. So, sweet dreams. See you tomorrow. Bye. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back. Time to demold these chocolates. I was thinking about these all night because I was hoping and hoping and hoping that that resin got down inside all of those little crevices. So without further ado, let's check them out. Get them all out here first. After I got done last night, I kind of pushed and pushed and pushed and pushed all of the, because it looks like down inside there's some of that didn't come out, but on these ones they did. So, ooh, look at that piece of chocolate. Yummy. This was the one I was worried about because it has so many places in there that's so hard to get down into. But it turned out great. Doesn't that look like just a piece of chocolate? Mm-hmm. Number 3. These lines, I'm not quite sure. I mean, they're supposed to be there, but they're really not cut, but it looks good. There's only just a couple bubbles on there. Little places. Huh? And number 4. This was the one I was worried about because it still has some mica powder down inside there. It's got some bubbles in places, but I mean, it can be fixed. But aren't those cute? Cute little chocolates. All right, guys, there's our chocolates for Valentine's Day. Cute little chocolates. They even look like chocolates. All right, guys, well, guess what? These might show up in another video. So stay tuned for that. But thanks for watching, guys. And we'll move on to our next project. And if you like it, you know what to do. Hit that like button. And I'd also love to have you in my channel. So subscribe to my channel as well. Sorry, I'm mesmerized by the chocolates. Yeah. So, well, I hope you all have a great day and a blessed day. We will move on to our next project, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. Bye.